Hey guys, welcome to Hackeristan, and I'm here again with a very interesting tool information that I'm gonna share through a demonstration. About which this video I'm making. So this tool name is basically, guys, WhatWeb. Basically, what is WhatWeb? WhatWeb is, this is a tool that helps you guys to give the technology information. So let's start, guys. So this is a small information about me, guys. Hello everyone. So my name is Vikas Kumar, and I'm here, guys, because I love to share my knowledge about information security and cyber security's various topics. In case if somebody is interested to connect me, can find me at Twitter, which detail is Hackeristan6828. Let's move to the tool, guys. So the tool name, as I was talking about in the very beginning of this the video, is a name, what web. Basically this tool is designed to detect the web technology information which is running over a site or a platform. In case if you need a little more detail about this web tool, so basically web tool is a tool that is helping to the researcher or the pen testers, or the the newcomers, or the people who are interested to know the technologies which is being used by the website. So which is having around 1700 plugins, which is responsibility or the work is to recognizing the different the technical or technology information, by injecting those plugins into the target sites. So WhatWeb also able to identify the version number, email addresses, account IDs, web frameworks, module, various SQL errors, or the the various other important information that helps to in fact pen test the websites in a better way. When we talk about features, so here's some list that I've just pillar wise posted, and in case if somebody is interested can visit the official site, which is the reference link given there in the downside. So basically, guys, when we talk about features, so as I mentioned that it has almost a 1700 plugins. It is also considered as like one of the very fast the web technology scanner tool, which has got these many different the features. So I'll not go much detail insight about it, as it is already written. You can just Google about it in case if you need a little more detail about it. This is the look and feel when we, guys, type of what web help menu. So let's start, guys, the practical demo that how you can utilize, guys. So for doing this practical, I'm using a Kali Linux. Just to let you know, guys, WhatWeb basically is a part of Kali Linux, and this tool has got a different options available when you just type simply WhatWeb test dash help. So the first screen that comes on your desktop is the help menu. When you type the help, so it will be giving you a lot of options that you can utilize, and you can accordingly just choose the scan, the methods and the methodologies for the aggregation of the scan that you want it to run with, to scan the sites that you have chosen as a target. So let's start, guys. To scan the website, it is very easy. You just need to type what web and the target website name simply. So ensure that you're not typing the https, and without it you just simply putting the website name. So that's how it will be just injecting the various plugins that has got the database, and accordingly those plugins will get you the list of the technologies being utilized. For example, the scanme.org, which is running over the Apache Web Server 2.4.7, country which is reserved CZ. It is utilizing the Google Analytics tool, which the detail is mentioned there. The HTTP server, which is running over is Ubuntu Linux, where the Apache 2.4.7 is deployed. The IP address which is allocated to this scanme.org site is the following: 45.33.32.156, and the script and the title details and all that. So in a pretty similar way, you can just brings a lot of interesting informations. about a site about you want to know. So let's say like you want to just type redbus.map. So as soon as you just type the domain, it will be giving you the detail about it. So this way you are able to find the details whatever possible. In case if you want to know little more detail, you just need to define the site name, and in case if you want a little more detailed information, then what you can do is you just simply type the site name with dash v. So all the processes that is happening at the backend will be able to will be shown to you on the front end. So as you can see that as soon as I just type what web dash v for a verbose and the target site name, so I'm able to get the detail about in a very proper manner. Status of the website which is running okay, 200 okay, title which is Altoro Mutual, IP address which is allocated to this particular site, and the country where the server resides at, the summary detail about that, the Java and the cookies information which is the development Java code, uh, the Apache web server is running on right now. HTTP server detail is Apache Coyote 1.1 HTTP only session ID which is being used with. If you go little down, so here you can just see the detail about, in fact, even the HTTP header with which it is send the information and receive the response in regards. So guys, this is the way that you can utilize the information, and you can simply fetch the detail about any target site that whenever you want. So hope this video is gonna help you to utilize this tool in a very efficient manner whenever or situation wise you need this tool help to detect the technology information. So if you like the video, please share the video, comment the video and like the video, so that it will be also gonna help to to drop the advanced notification as soon as I just upload the new videos in the future. So request you to just please always keep motivating me, so that I'll keep on making videos over the new different tools or the open sources tool that is being utilized in the IIT service industry in terms of pen testing, and very widely used. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. Have a good day, take care, thank you.